I picked this up from Ulta and I paid $9.99 for it, and it says explosive volume and length. 150% fierce full-blown volume, 100% say dramatic thickness, 88% extreme length in a clinical test. So it says it's a spiked warrior brush. Let's see. So in my last mascara comparison video, somebody said, well, I was really disappointed because it didn't look like you did anything. So I'm sorry that I have really crappy lashes. I am a contact lens wearer, and I have found that I pull my eyelashes out every time I put my damn contacts in. I am horrible. When I put my contacts in, like, I use my eyelashes to lift my eye instead of like just going like, I'm about efficiency and not, no, I'm about quickness and not efficiency. So yeah, I mess my eyelashes up, and I have very sparse lashes now, because when I was a kid I used to cut these things because they were so darn long and thick and annoying, and now I just don't have any. So sorry if my lashes offend you. All right, so here we go. So this is what the brush looks like. It is curved. I think I have a brush that might look like, kind of curved like the, what is this? The CoverGirl one. The CoverGirl. Here we go. Look, zoom in. Ooh, hello. Okay, so let's zoom in. It's actually doing a decent job of lifting. Oh, and I also like lift because my eyelashes are long, so they tend to fall. And in the inner corner, my lashes like to meet each other. Like, the bottom likes to like hug the lower lashes, and it's really annoying and irritating. I would say, can you see? Can you see the difference in my lashes? I would say it did a nice job with just one coat. Alright, I'm going to do the other side. This spiky brush I am poking myself with quite a bit on this eye. Don't know why. I'm having a harder time on this side. Well, of course I do, because for some reason my left eye, I can't do as well. Like, I can't do anything as well. Alright, so those are both coated once, and I'm going to show you that this very much reminds me of the brush, like the curve. This is the curve on the what is this, the L'Oreal Total Tease. You see how it has that curve? This brush, I think my Maybelline brush that's out in the garage in my work bag, I think my Maybelline brush might have the same curve as this one. Okay, so now that I've allowed the first coat to dry, I'm going to go for a second coat. Here's where you really test, because when it's volumizing, a lot of times it will start to goop up and make your lashes just like into clumps and into like 4 individual lashes instead of a bunch of lashes. But right now, so far so good. Okay, so let's look. Can you see the difference between one coat and 2 coats? Okay, so this has 2 coats, and I've done the bottom. As far as lengthening, what did it say? 88% is all length, so I don't see length, but I do feel like it volumized. So, I feel like I have block lashes. Like, they almost look fake. I feel like my lashes are just straight across. Like, they got thicker, which I like, but they're not lengthened. So unfortunately, I'm not like obsessed with this. I liked a little bit of lengthening, like I said, but mostly volumizing, and I feel like this just did volumizing and no lengthening, and it gave me like one size fits all lashes. Like it just looks straight across. On first use, first impression, I'm just gonna say that it's not something I would repurchase. I don't feel like it did a good job of lengthening my lashes at all. I just feel like my lashes are one length, and it's just not the look I like. It did thicken them. I hope you can see this. It did do a good job of thickening them. It just left me very blocky, and I don't like that. So, final thoughts. I haven't even tested like the wear time, and what I will do is I will annotate. I will annotate it. I will leave it in my description below how it wore throughout the day, like if it starts to flake or anything. This, I will let you know if this ends up flaking or smearing or smudging, but I'm gonna say it's a no as far as a repurchase, because I don't feel like it, you know, did any kind of lengthening. What I am gonna do is that I will annotate how it wore throughout the day, and then in a couple of weeks I will come back to this video and I will leave information on if it ended up getting any better when it dries up, because a lot of times mascaras, when they dry up a few weeks, they tend to perform better. So what I will do is maybe I will annotate it again in a couple of weeks, and I will probably, you know, come back and address this mascara in some kind of video letting you guys know how I feel about it in a couple of weeks. But so far, I like how it thickened, but I don't like how it just left me like with blocked lashes. Like my lashes are just one length, and I really don't like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.